This is not a case where the form number 3 determining the settlement amount was not issued during the validity of the scheme stop. It is not a case where the appellant deliberately did not deposit the settlement amount and there was any negligence on the part of the appellant in not depositing the settlement amount within the stipulated time stop. As observed here in above, it is a case where the appellant was unable to make the payment due to the legal impediment and the bar to make the payment during the period of moratorium in view of the provisions of the IBC stop. In a given case, it may happen that a person who has applied under the scheme and who was supposed to make payment on or before 30/06/2020 became seriously ill on 29/06/2020 and there was nobody to look after his affairs stop para and thereafter immediately on getting out of sickness he tried to deposit the amount and approached the court. Can the court close its eyes and say that though there may be valid reasons and causes for that person's inability to make the payment, still no relief can be granted to him? Sign of interrogation. There may be extraordinary cases which are required to be considered on facts of each case. Stop. The courts are meant to do justice and cannot compel a person to do something which was impossible for him to do. Stop. Now, so far as the other ground given by the High Court that the designated committees are not in existence is concerned, it is required to be noted that the CBCE has issued a circular that in a case where the High Court or courts have passed an order setting aside the rejection of the claim under the scheme after 30/06/2020, the applications can be processed manually. Stop. In many cases, the High Courts have remanded the matter to the designated committees which consist of the officers of the department and the applications thereafter are processed manually. Stop. Para. In view of the above and under the circumstances and for the reasons stated above, as the appellant was not in a position to deposit the settlement amount at the relevant time, more particularly on or before 30/06/2020, due to legal impediment and the bar to make the payment of settlement amount in view of the moratorium under the IBC, and as it is found that the appellant was otherwise entitled to the benefit under the scheme, as the form number 1 submitted by the appellant has been accepted, the form number 3 determining the settlement amount has been issued. The High Court has erred in refusing to grant any relief to the appellant as prayed. Stop. In view of the above and for the reasons stated above, the present appeal is allowed stop the impunged judgment and order passed by the High Court is hereby quashed and set aside stop. It is directed that the payment of rupees 1.25 crore already deposited by the appellant be appropriated towards settlement dues under Sabka Biswas Scheme 2019 and the appellant be issued discharge certificate stop. Present appeal is allowed. Accordingly, stop. Considering the aforesaid facts and circumstances, we are more than satisfied that the High Court has not committed stop. However, in the facts and circumstances of the case, there shall be no order as to costs to the petitioner of the case stop.